Hello students, hope all of you are doing well. Myself Anand Singh. I teach GMAT, GRE and SAT. Today I will be discussing few important questions from SAT. Let us begin. Hello students. So today our topic is parallel and perpendicular lines and midpoint and distance formula. Let us first of all discuss what are parallel and perpendicular lines and how their slopes are related. See, parallel lines means which have same distance throughout. So if we draw them on the xy plane, we see that they are at same inclination. Line 1 and line 2 are at same inclination. It means that for parallel lines, slopes are equal. That is, we can say slope of first line M1 is equal to slope of the second line. And if the lines are perpendicular, let us see two lines which are perpendicular to each other. See, line 1 and line 2 are perpendicular to each other, and these two lines are not vertical. That is, they are non-vertical parallel lines. They are perpendicular lines. So for non-vertical perpendicular lines, non-vertical means none of these lines is perpendicular to the x-axis, and the two lines are perpendicular to each other, then the product of their slopes is equal to -1. Or you can say that the slope of one line is negative reciprocal of the slope of the another line. Right? Let us see a few questions on this topic. First question is, which of the following is the equation of the line passing through -4, 1 and that is parallel to this line? See, parallel to this line means slope should be equal, right? Slope should be equal to this line. So first of all, let us find the slope of this line. When this line is written in y equal to mx plus c form, let us write it 2y equal to 4x minus 3, then y is equals to 2x minus 3 by 2. It means that the slope of this line is 2. So slope of the another line will also be equal to 2. Therefore, the second line which is parallel to this line will be of the form 2x plus constant. Now to find the constant, what I will do, I will put -4 1 point in it. Means in place of x I will put -4, in place of y I will put 1. So I will get c equals to 9. Therefore, the equation is y is equal to 2x plus 9. So this is the correct answer. Going to question number 2. Which of the following is an equation for the line passing through -4, 1 and perpendicular to this line? See, the question is same, but now we have to find the equation of the line which is perpendicular to the given line. Now recall the perpendicular condition. What is the perpendicular condition? Yes, the slope, the product of the slope is -1. So here the slope of this line, as we already found out, that 2y is equal to 4x minus 3. So y is equal to 2x minus 3 by 2. So m1 here is equals to 2. So m2 will be negative reciprocal, that is -1 by 2. So the equation of the line which is perpendicular to the given line will be y equals to 1 by 2x plus c. And here to find c, again I plug in the point -4, 1. I get 1 is equal to 2 plus c. So c is equals to -1. Therefore, the required equation will be y is equals to -1 by 2x minus 1 in place of c. So I get option number A. Right? Next question. Now what you can do, you can just pause here. You know the concepts. You have done 2 questions with me. Just attempt the third question. Before seeing my solutions, you can pause the video and just attempt the third question yourself. Right? Okay. So now I am doing the third question for you. Hope you have done this yourself, attempted this yourself. Which of the following is a linear equation for the line that is parallel to this and passing through this? Parallel to this means the slope should be equal. Now, what's the slope of this line? If I rearrange it in the form of y equal to mx plus c, I get y is equal to minus 3 by 4x plus 3. So the slope is minus 3 by 4. Now, which equation has slope minus 3 by 4? This has slope minus 3 by 4 and this. Now, the point is this. So you know that I will write y minus y1 is equal to slope times of x minus x1. This we have done in the previous class. So y minus minus 3, that is, it becomes plus 3. Slope is same because it is parallel to this same line, and x plus 2. So I will go with option number D. Right? Okay. Let us move to the next topic. Next topic is midpoint formula and distance formula. Midpoint formula. If we have 2 points on a line, say x1, y1 and x2, y2, and we intend to find the midpoint. So there is a formula which tells us to find the midpoint of the line segment joining point P and point Q. It is basically x1 plus x2 by 2 to find the x coordinate and y1 plus y2 by 2 to find the y coordinate. And if we need to find the distance between the points, say distance PQ, that is from P to Q, it is simply x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now see here, sometimes in examination, the question may come like this, that find the distance from the origin. One point is the origin, another point is say A comma B, and we need to find this distance OP. Now here distance OP is equals to what? Under root of A minus 0 whole square plus B minus 0 whole square, or you can say simply it is root of A square plus B square. So when we have one point as the origin, just square the other point, add them and take the square root, you get the answer. So hope this is clear. Midpoint formula, distance formula. Let us go to the questions. The first question is, in the xy plane, the midpoint AB is 10, 4. If the coordinates of point A are 5, 1, what are the coordinates of point B? Okay. So question number 1 says, midpoint is 10, 4. Coordinates of point A is 5, 1. What are the coordinates of point B? Let it be x, y. Now 5 plus x by 2 should be is equal to 10, and 1 plus y by 2 should be equal to 4. So here x will be equals to 15 and y will be equal to 7. So 15, 7. So C is the correct option. I am leaving question number 2 and question number 3 and question number 4 as homework. You will do these questions and let me know your answers in the comment. I will reply you. Question number 5. If the distance between A3 and B8 is 13, what is the value of A minus B? Absolute value of A minus B. A3, B8. Now here 13 is given as under root of, you can write b minus a or a minus b, it means the same. You can write a minus b whole square and plus 3 minus 8 whole square, right? Even if you write 8 minus 3, it is 5 whole square, that is 25, and 3 minus 8 is again minus 5, and that whole square is giving you 25. So it doesn't make a difference. Squaring both sides, we write 169 equal to a minus b whole square plus 25. So that gives me 144. Now finding a minus b, that will be plus minus 12, but we need to find the absolute value, that is without the sign. So that is 12. So we have option number C as the answer. So my dear students, hope you have understood today's video completely. If you have any doubt, if you have any problem, just write down in the comment section. I will get back to you. My number is given on the screen. You can call me or you can WhatsApp me, right? Thank you so much. Bye-bye.